All right, guys, here are 5 features that I like to do as soon as I get in a Ford Ranger. And they have all kinds of cool tech in them, and these are the ones that I like to either have turned on or off, or what I like to do. So I'm Jason Gillett. I do video tutorials for automotive, walk-arounds, reviews, all kinds of things that are helpful. Let's check out what we're doing in this Ranger today. So this is the touchscreen interface. First of all, I get in and I touch this little car icon. This brings me to all the menu assistance. Then I like to go to vehicle. Once I'm in vehicle, I hit the locks. Why do I hit the locks? Because I like to know which doors are going to unlock when I am hitting my remote. So right now it's all doors. That's okay if you're living rural and you don't worry about people jumping in with you or anything, or you got kids coming up to the car all the time that you just want them to be able to open their door. That's a good setting. But if you live in a metro market with a little more crime, or if you're a single female that, you know, you're just probably more apt to someone maybe trying to jump in with you or something like that, hit driver's door. That's number one. Hit driver's door. Now all the other doors won't unlock when you hit that button, and nobody's jumping in with you if you don't want them to. Again, if you feel safe, go ahead, do the all doors, but that's the first one I usually will do. Then we're going to go into driver assistance. So in driver assistance, this one is my favorite setting, auto hold. So when I turn on auto hold, basically what happens is, it says I have to close my door and put my seatbelt on, but I turn that feature on. When I come to a set of lights, I can take my foot off of the brake. It won't go anywhere till I touch the gas. I love that it holds me there. It's so relaxing to sit in traffic at a set of lights without having to put your foot on the brake pedal all the time. It's great. The other one I love to turn on is this one, rear brake assist. So this is number 3, rear brake assist. We're going to turn that on. That way, if you come into your parking spot backing up hot, this vehicle is going to put on the brakes for you. That saves your rear bumper. Let me tell you, you want that on. The other one I like to go into for number 4 is the lane keeping system. Now, I love lane keeping, so I go into the mode and I make sure the alert and the aid is turned on. So if I happen to just get distracted for a second, I know we're not supposed to, but if you start getting close to that line, it's gonna warn you. And then if you start really getting close, it's gonna push you back into your lane. I love that setting. Sometimes it's just on alert or just on aid, so I like to make sure it's on alert and aid. And then the other last setting that I like to have on is the pre-collision setting. So this one, again, just like braking in the back, it's braking in the front. This is turned on right now, but you want to make sure that's turned on. It has pedestrian detection. If a child or something walks out in front of your vehicle, you don't have time to put on the brakes, it's going to do that for you. That saves lives. It's definitely an awesome thing to do. And those are my 5 things that I like to turn on. All right, guys, thanks a lot for watching this video. If you like this one, give it a big thumbs up. Do me a huge favor and click subscribe to this channel. If you want to see more content like this, hit that bell icon. You'll be notified every time I make a video. If you have questions about this content or want to see any other similar content, throw that in the comments section down below. Have a wonderful day, and we'll talk to you later.